Okay, good morning. This is the simplest remedy for slab cracks. Cement. Yan po kung may problema sa inyong slab, pwede itong gawin. Kumuha ng 1.5, lagyan ng semento at saka lagyan ng tubig. Yung medyo malapot pa.